Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making a drill station for my drills and drill bits. I'm making this to utilize all the open space under my table saw station and for organization. I start off by cutting down the pieces which hold the drills up to the correct size. Then I mark on those pieces to find where 3/4 of an inch is in the middle of my boards. Then I apply a little bit of glue just for added strength before clamping the two pieces together, pre-drilling, countersinking, and then adding screws for more strength. Then I measured the drill handles to make sure there is enough room in between for the drills to fit. Then, over on the table saw, I've ripped down a piece of Baltic birch to the correct size to place those attachments on. You always make sure you have the correct measurements before doing your final cut. And again, I apply a little bit of glue to start, then clamp the pieces down so I can drill holes and then screw them together. Then I start to pre-drill holes. If you're going to do this, I do not recommend putting in screws and pre-drilling the way I did. It was very bad positioning, it was very awkward. I did it this way because I couldn't think of any other way to do it, and I didn't want to wait for the glue to dry. Then over on the table saw, I cut down pieces to size for the sides of the drill station. Then I clamped it tight so I can have good pressure to drive in screws. The clamps I'm using in this video are the Rockler clamps. They're really good and really sturdy. And right here is a very big mistake I made. I couldn't find any screws that were the right length for some reason. I decided to try to use 2-inch drywall screws for some reason. Later on I found some 1¼ inch screws, which were the screws that I was looking for. So just know do not use drywall screws for wood. Then I cut down a piece of plywood for my top shelf and banged it in to fit. Later I put it further down so I can put things on top without them falling off the sides. Then off camera I cut down pieces to make a small drawer for all my drill bit cases and random bits sitting around. Then just connected them using screws. Then I cut down 1/4-inch plywood for the bottom of the drawer. After the drawer was complete, I evenly spaced the shelf that will be used for chargers and batteries. Then I used a small piece under the shelf to use as a stop for the drawer so it wouldn't fully come out. Then I cut more 1/4-inch plywood to use as the back panel for the drill station. And here is the finished results. Came out perfect. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.